Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Capital One app crashes the second you tap it, gets stuck on a loading screen, or shows a service error before you can even log in, here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store. No login needed. First, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then close the Capital One app from your recent apps. Now, press and hold the Capital One app icon and then remove the app, then tap Delete app and completely uninstall it. Now, go ahead to your App Store and then search for the Capital One app and then reinstall it completely fresh. This clears all corrupted data from bad update, which is the number one cause of Capital One crashes. After reinstalling it, if it still crashes, go to your Settings app, then tap General and scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure no VPN is active. Capital One blocks VPN connections and crashes instantly when it detects one. Also, in the settings, go to General and then go to Software Update and install any available iOS update. Capital One regularly drops support from older iOS versions. So all you gotta do is delete Capital One, reinstall from App Store, turn off any VPN in settings, update your iOS,